Hey there and welcome to Consult the Blind Guy. My name is Andrew and today we're doing a review of the GoXLR Stand. Hope you enjoyed today's episode. Let's get to it. As I said, welcome to Consult the Blind Guy. Today we're talking about the GoXLR Stand. In the last video, I did a review of the GoXLR. The one downside to the GoXLR is that it sits flat on your table or desk. In order for you to have it set up to where it's a little bit more convenient for you to see and be able to control is to have the GoXLR Stand, which gives you the ability to prop it up on a dedicated platform specifically designed for it. It also has a cord channel, that way you can have your headphones run through it and it's not sitting up and around the GoXLR. It can actually run right through the center of the stand. Another nice thing is with the stand you get an additional cord to be able to put a power device to your GoXLR. That is another downfall to the GoXLR design itself, is there is no power switch for you to be able to shut it off when you're not using it. By purchasing the GoXLR Stand, it gives you a toggle switch that you can now adapt to the GoXLR. That way if you're not using it, you can shut the power off to it and save some energy on your electric bill. It's an all-metal construction. It does have a non-slip padding to it, so it ensures that it's not going to be bouncing all over the place on your table or desk. And it has the channel for your cord, whether it's for a set of headphones or maybe a microphone cord or any other cord that you need to run between the GoXLR and your other devices. It gives you the ability to not only raise your GoXLR up from being flat, but now you can practically having it sitting straight up to where it's easy to be able to see. As you can see in the picture here, it shows that mine is sitting almost all the way up to its maximum height. If I was to give this a rating between 1 and 5 stars, or 1 to 10, I would give it a 5 out of 5 or a 10 out of 10, because it is nice and convenient to be able to have the stand hold the GoXLR up. It's also great that they included the additional cord for a power toggle, the ability to run your headphone cord in between the channel, that way it's not racked up and having extra wires everywhere, and to have the non-slip padding to ensure that it doesn't move if you were to bump your table or desk. If you have any questions or comments, by all means, please feel free to drop them down below and I'll get back to you as soon as possible. If you have the GoXLR and the GoXLR Stand, by all means, please feel free to let me know your opinion of what you think of the GoXLR as well as the GoXLR Stand and the capability of having the toggle switch. I hope you enjoyed today's video and found it helpful. If you're new here, please don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon so you can stay updated on the latest videos, live streams, and more. You can also check out one of these videos over here, as I'm sure one of them may interest you as well, as I have been covering a lot of various different content creator gear and general products. Until the next time, I hope you have a great day or evening, depending on where you are in the world, and we'll see you in the next episode.